Good day, I am Shores van der Meer. I am the product manager at Tradecloud. Tradecloud is a supply chain platform that helps customers in the manufacturing industry and wholesale in preventing disruptions within a supply chain. We achieve this by making it easy to share data between different companies. Then you think about purchase orders and shipments. The goal of the Metro is to provide customers with insight into the value of the relationship with specific suppliers, so that they can compare them side by side and select the supplier that best fits their needs. Interesting data is therefore collected within the platform. For example, think of response times. This is traditionally something that often involves agreements between the customer and the supplier, but is often difficult to measure using the traditional method that mainly relies on email. Telecom has this data, so we can make it clearly visible. Additionally, we often see that customers and suppliers agree on KPIs and then both measure them separately from each other. The result of this is that the KPIs often differ from each other. This is because the supplier has a slightly different definition of the metrics. For example, the customer or the input, meaning the data that is used, is slightly different for the customer than for the supplier. For example, consider the delivery moment. The supplier checks when something has been shipped from the warehouse, while the customer checks when it has been received in the system. This is often different from the moment when the goods actually arrive at the customer's doorstep. This leads to differences in the outcomes of the metrics. Tradecloud aims to provide insight into these metrics as a third independent party, allowing the customer and the supplier to actually discuss the results, instead of getting caught up in definition and data quality issues. Metrics that are measured within the Tradecloud metrics module include OTIF. That stands for on time in full. Screws are delivered completely at the moment they are requested. Another aspect is the response time, which we just discussed. Additionally, rejections are also measured along with their causes. Deviations are made based on price, date, or quantity. Furthermore, it is also measured how many lines are processed as zero TAS. That actually means that the order lines are sent out and then either touched by people or not. Of course, everyone wants to automate, so it is preferable that as few people as possible get involved. Additionally, there are several metrics regarding total order value and the price trends of specific items. This essentially measures inflation, for example. The metrics module is fully integrated into the platform. Therefore, users who can manage orders and collaborate on shipments can also directly view the metrics module. So everything is in one and the same environment. Companies that are interested can reach us through our website, and of course they can also call us or send an email.